Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is there? Margie, him a god bikini. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a god bikini. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is.
You should allow the children to suffer. It means that you should allow the children to progress. And I read in the newspaper today that 40% of those who are poor are children. It is a strange land when we pass children under the age of 17 at the stoplight at a school day, in a school time, and nobody feel no way. It's a strange land when adult men are impregnating 15 and 14-year-old children. It's a strange land when the children are failing and there is no uproar in the society. We will block 100 roads for bad roads, but we won't do not mean that you should allow the children.
We need people to use politics and don't make politics use them. Because you are not a tool, you're a builder. I never hear a man celebrate the hammer, he only celebrate the carpenter. So don't be the hammer, because when the hammer broke it will be thrown away. Be the carpenter and use politics to get policy for your children's sake. Power to the people.